In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Microsoft Edge to a light appearance. Whether you're looking to brighten your browsing experience or simply prefer a lighter color scheme, this is a super simple process that takes just a few clicks. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open up your Microsoft Edge browser. You'll want to make sure that you're on the main screen of the browser itself, ready to access its settings. Once you have Microsoft Edge open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll see three small dots arranged vertically. This icon is the gateway to a variety of settings and options within Edge. By clicking on these three dots, you're able to access a drop-down menu that hosts a range of features. Now that you've accessed this drop-down menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Settings. This option is typically towards the bottom, so you might need to navigate a little to find it. Once located, go ahead and click on Settings. This will open a new tab where you can adjust various preferences to tailor the browser to your liking. Within the Settings menu, your next point of focus should be the menu along the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see several categories such as Privacy, Search, and Services, Profiles, and others that allow for further personalization. For the purpose of changing the appearance of your browser, you'll need to click on the category labeled Appearance. This option is reasonably easy to spot as it should be among the top selections in the list. Upon clicking Appearance, you'll notice a few categories on the right side under the header titled Overall Appearance. This is where you can select your preferred theme for Microsoft Edge. The current theme might be set to a dark mode or a system default if you haven't changed it before. To opt for a lighter visual style, find and click on the option that says Light. Once you make this selection, your browser will immediately update to reflect the new theme, offering a brighter and more vibrant experience. And with that, you're all set. You've successfully switched your Microsoft Edge browser to a light appearance. This is a great choice for those who enjoy a bright, clean look while navigating through the internet. If you ever wish to change it back, simply follow these steps again and choose the theme that suits your preference. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy your enhanced browsing experience with Microsoft Edge.